Local businesses like Games of Plunder here in Cobleskill tend to operate a bit differently than your typical big business. State laws, municipal regulation, and inflation can all have an effect on the business, bottom line. Michael Woolman is the store owner and manager of the locally owned video gaming store, Games of Plunder, here in Cobleskill. Woolman reveals the key to longevity for Games of Plunder as a small business, as well as how inflation and digital interactive games have made it a bit tough to do business in the constantly evolving video gaming market.
So we still carry the physical games for as long as they exist, including the older games. So we still continue to buy and sell them because there's still people who are interested in them. And given where we live, even just a couple miles outside of town, you may not have steady internet access to be able to play and stream the newest games solely digitally.
While Woolman says that serving traditional console gamer is important in a rural area as Cobleskill, high-speed internet access is critical to the future of gaming.
Even with the new games coming out and people buying more digitally, you still can't play them without the physical systems and controllers and other accessories that go with that.
Communication major Johnny Simpson says he appreciates the convenience Games of Plunder brings to the community. Simpson says he sold one of his gaming consoles to the store, something he could have easily done online.
I've sold my PlayStation there, I've sold my Wii there, and I've bought a PlayStation 5 controller. I was able to find what I needed from that store at a very reasonable price.
Despite the transition to a more digital gaming industry, Games of Plunder believe that they have the resources to compete with the current gaming market. Reporting outside the Games of Plunder, I'm Kevon Barrett.